This tutorial is an introduction to Tyler Point of Sale, which is used to sell merchandise to a customer. There are several different transaction types available on the point of sale entry screen, and each is used for a different purpose. The take with and delayed delivery transaction types are used to sell merchandise to a customer. A take with transaction is used when the customer is taking the merchandise with them today. A delayed delivery transaction is used when the customer's merchandise is being delivered or picked up at a later time. With a take with, items are added to the transaction, payment is collected, and the customer takes possession of the merchandise. With a delayed delivery, items are added to the order and payment may or may not be collected from the customer. The order then moves to Tyler's order processing application, where it remains until it is ready for delivery. While in order processing, you can use the ML transaction type in point of sale entry to accept payments from the customer towards the order. Using the DI transaction type, you can make changes to the order if necessary. When the order is ready for delivery, the DZ transaction type is used to ship the order to the customer. It is important to understand that sales tax is calculated based on the place where the customer takes possession of the merchandise. For a take-with transaction, sales tax is calculated using the tax rate assigned to the sold-at store. For a delayed delivery order, sales tax is calculated using the tax rate assigned to the zip code of the ship-to customer. This section of the video discusses other transaction types that you will be using in point-of-sale entry. The QT transaction type is used to provide the customer with the price quote for one or more items. Use the RQ transaction type when a customer needs to make changes to a previously created quote ticket. It is also used to convert an existing quote ticket into a take-with or delayed delivery transaction for sale of the quoted merchandise. The ML transaction type is used to accept a payment that a customer is making towards a delayed delivery order that has not yet been shipped. Use the SO transaction type to sell items that do not currently exist in inventory. The CO transaction type is used to cancel a delayed delivery order that has not yet been shipped. Use the RA transaction type to apply a payment to an AR account, receive payment for a bad check, or receive payment for an order that has already been shipped and updated. The DI transaction type is used to make changes to a delayed delivery order that has not yet been shipped. The DZ transaction type is used to ship delayed delivery merchandise. It is also used when the customer is picking up merchandise on a delayed delivery order.